Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please follow us there and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'll be unboxing the Helm Audio True Wireless 5.0 earbuds with Qualcomm technology. They have two different kinds of these. They have a Bluetooth 4.1 and a Bluetooth 5.0. This is the newest version, 5.0, with, like I said, the Qualcomm technology, which adds an almost 3 extra hours of listening experience time with these headphones. So it's a unique case. It's a see-through top. We like that. And then the bottom is pretty standard plastic. We have the micro USB port on the side. We wish they would have included a USB Type-C, but micro USB will do as well. I'm sure you have some micro USB cables to charge this, but it does also come with a charging cable, micro USB. Further inside the box, there's more details about it, as well as the charging cable. Now, as you notice, we'll zoom in a little bit here on the headphones. There's a different type design than most of the other headphones that are just truly flat plastic. This gives it a little different design and feel, which we like a lot. So as you take a look there, and then we'll take one out. So you got your headphone port here for your ear, and then you've got the widget that goes into the ear on the side, and then the two charging dots right there. But this is the nice design. I've worn these a few times already. I do like the sound quality. The driver is quite big, so you get a nice good amount of treble and bass as well as mids. Nothing is distorted even when listening very high volumes with these headphones, and that's because of the Qualcomm technology and the Bluetooth 5.0. So we like how small it is. Now, if you have a different ear size, they do come with different ear gels for both. And like I said, the micro USB cable that does come with one for charging the case. So you get about 6 hours of listening time here with the Helm Audio headphones. This is Chris Roshnot and 24K on Twitter, 24K on Instagram. Give us a follow there, and we appreciate positive comments. Thank you.